Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Chelsea So Random, and today today we have Chick-fil-A. I don't think I have Chick-fil-A on my channel yet, so if I did, don't quote me, but if I didn't, enjoy this video. So today we have the spicy deluxe chicken sandwich with the pepper jack cheese and lettuce and tomatoes on here. This is the famous kale crunch salad. I have not tried this yet. It's my first time eating this, and some fries from Chick-fil-A. So we know the routine. Let's get to praying. Let's get to eating. Amen. Okay. So if you saw me laugh, or you probably did if you're watching this video, my husband is funny. You will hear kitchen sounds. You will hear a baby in the background. You will hear some plates and silverware and ovens and timers, just to be aware. So, okay. Now, let's open up the soda of the day, which is the Olipop Dr. Goodwin, one of my favorites. It's comparable to Dr. Pepper. So, a little taste. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And we have Chick-fil-A tucked in the back. See, what I do is we do this little number right here, and we're gonna pour you all right here. Oh, look at that. That's some good HD filming right there. Look at that, y'all. And we're gonna put it right back on top. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna get started. First bite. Oh, I hate offering food like that. First bite. Oh. I can't even see that ketchup, can y'all? Y'all can't see. Let's try this kale crunch salad and see what the hype is about. I can't guarantee I'm gonna finish eating this, y'all, if it's not good. Oh, first bite. Yes. Oh, yeah, I can just eat a big bowl of this. I did not put the almonds in it because I can't stand peanuts in my salads. Cricket? Oh, well, y'all. I'm gonna get rid of this box now. Excuse me. Chick-fil-A, I feel like I'd be making conscious choices when I go to Chick-fil-A. Wow. Is it wrong? I be forgetting I be filming. If the food be so good. This is more satisfying than I thought it was gonna be. You know when the meal surprise you, like, okay. Wow. I'm pleasantly surprised. This meal is hitting. And if you're a Chick-fil-A app holder, and you have some kind of account with them, check your redemptions. A little tab that says my rewards or redeem, something like that. Currently, there was a local store near me that's giving away free Chick-fil-A sandwiches, the original sandwiches. Of course, I got that for the husband. How did I not get the kale crunch salad before? Oh, this my stomach just falling apart, y'all. It's falling apart. Look at that. Look at that meat. Yeah, y'all. Did I live under a rock? I may have. So, finish this out. Wow. It's not supposed to hit like that. Excuse me, y'all. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me, y'all. Please know, I don't censor my belching. I don't censor it because this is what happens when I eat and drink certain foods. It's gonna happen, y'all. But I like to, put a disclaimer out on my titling, so if you don't read, it's my fault. Everything is so good. Please do have some. Oh, they burn. That's how I like it. Ooh. Okay. Y'all, I'm getting down to it. Okay, so it's just a little talking point. I finished watching Arcane on Netflix. Highly enjoyed it. And do I know anything about the game? No, I do not. But the show, the show was very good. If y'all don't know, the sandwich is falling apart now. If y'all don't know, I'm an avid film, movie lover, and books. So, my only critique about Arcane is the anime style they chose. Well, animation style they chose. I personally didn't like it. Aside from that, excuse me. Excuse me. Ooh, 10 out of 10. The emotion, they played on us heavy, y'all. Emotional blackmail is what Arcane did to me. So, finished Arcane. Now I am moving on to Bleach. Okay? If you like Bleach, why are you watching something so old? Because they're staple animes that I have not watched. And Bleach are one of them. Bleach, Naruto. And I know my husband would love me to start One Piece, but that is a commitment. That is a commitment, y'all. Goodness. This bread is useless now. Look. This bread is like, what's happening? Mm. Mm. Yes, Bleach is next up on the list. And per my best friend's suggestion, Full Metal Alchemist is their top. So, I gotta watch that too. 2025 is the year of anime for me. Well, that style anime. I'm a shoujo kind of anime girl. So, all right, y'all, we cleared that. But, y'all, fries, cleared. Okay. Y'all, come on. Come on, babe. So good. Wow. Tomatoes too, y'all. Digestion. And just like that, we done. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't, subscribe to this channel and like this video. And don't forget to tell your friends about it and your enemies. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.